Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts using a donut maker. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Next, preheat your donut maker according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to lightly grease the cooking plates with a little oil or non-stick spray to ensure your donuts release easily and perfectly. Now, let's get to the batter. Mix your ingredients thoroughly until smooth, avoiding overmixing. Once your batter is ready, transfer it to a piping bag for precise filling, or use a spoon if you prefer. Carefully fill each donut cavity, making sure not to overfill. About 2/3 full is ideal to allow for expansion during cooking. With the cavities filled, close your donut maker and let them cook. Most donut makers will have them ready in 3 to 5 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, gently remove the hot donuts using a silicone spatula or tongs. While they cool slightly, whip up a quick glaze using powdered sugar and a splash of milk. Finally, for the best part, dip your slightly cooled donuts into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. You can also add fun sprinkles, chocolate drizzles, or other toppings to make them extra special and unique. They're perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat anytime. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.